Hey guys, and welcome back to RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video idea is a Dollar Tree DIY jewelry organizer. And this DIY is so simple and so easy to make, but it turns out very beautiful and looks very high-end. So one of the items that you will need for this DIY is the clear plastic drawers. You will also need to get some hair rollers in the colors that you would like for this DIY. Now make sure that when you get these hair rollers, you get the thick ones and not the thin ones that Dollar Tree also has. So to start off this project, what you want to do first is you want to remove the metal rod that's in the inside of the rollers, because you won't be able to cut the rollers to the size you want with it inside it, and plus you really do not need the metal rod inside the rollers for this project. So once you have removed the metal piece inside the rollers, you can start laying the rollers inside the drawers and kind of measure out how you want to cut it. I just eyeballed it and I kind of cut it longer than what I thought it would be, and then I just started sticking it inside the drawer and then started cutting little by little until I got the size that I needed. I then use the first roller that I cut as a guide to cut the rest of the rollers. So as you can see, all these rollers fit snug in this drawer, so I felt there was no need to glue them down, but you can glue them down if you would like. I did the exact same process with the blue rollers, and the blue one will go in my older daughter's room, and then the pink one will go in my youngest daughter's room. You can also do this same DIY system with a picture frame. The only difference is that the rollers will be in the front, but you would have to tape it in the back in order for it to stick onto the picture frame. Then you can lay this down on a dresser and have your earrings and your rings displayed beautifully on top of the dresser. You can make as many drawers as you like and then stack them on top of each other to display and organize your jewelry. You can also glue these drawers together to keep them in place. I plan to just get some putty to actually putty them together because I do not want to permanently put these drawers together, just in case we decide to change things up and maybe use some drawers in different ways. I just love how this jewelry organizer came out. It is perfect to organize your rings and small earrings so they do not move around. They'll keep them nice and snug. I also like this leaf knickknack tray that they have at Dollar Tree to organize our hoop earrings. Me and my daughters, we love to wear hoop earrings of all sizes, but if we were to put it in these drawers, they would take up most of the space. So I love the fact that I can put this little knickknack tray on top of this organizational system to organize all my earrings in one place. And actually these clear drawers with this beautiful pop of color going with this gold color looks so beautiful together that not only is this an organizational system, but it's a beautiful decor piece to have in any bedroom or bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys like to organize your jewelry. I love to hear ideas from you guys. They give me ideas for future DIYs, and it also gives my other subscribers ideas as well. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not a subscriber already. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.